In the depths of doubt and darkness, when negativity takes its hold, a spark of light within you glows, a power waiting to unfold. Defeat negative thinking, rise above. Harness the strength of your inner might. Cast away the shadows of self-doubt. Embrace the path of endless light. Speak words of kindness to your soul. Banish the whispers that bring you down. Replace the doubts with affirmations. In your own worth, firmly be crowned. Seek the company of positivity. Surround yourself with uplifting souls, for negativity finds no fertile ground. Where positivity joyfully unfolds, embrace the beauty of each new day. With gratitude, let your heart sing. Choose thoughts that lift and inspire, and let negativity take to its wing. You hold the power to shape your mind, to defeat the shadows that try to cling. Embrace the strength within your being, and conquer negative thinking. Believe in your potential, bright and vast. Let self-belief be your guiding star. With determination, march ahead, and negativity shall no longer mar. For in your spirit, a warrior resides, ready to battle and rise above. Defeat negative thinking, my friend, and embrace a life of boundless love. For in your heart, a flame burns bright, a beacon of hope in the darkest night. With courage as your trusted guide, you'll conquer doubts, let them subside. Embrace the journey, step by step. With resilience, you'll find your pep. Each stumbling block, a chance to grow, transforming weaknesses into a glow. Remember, thoughts hold immense power. They shape your world, hour by hour. Choose positivity, let it bloom and thrive, and watch your life truly come alive. So, banish doubt, let confidence soar, embrace your worth forevermore. The battle against negativity, you'll win, and bask in the light from deep within. Rise above, let your spirit soar high. With inner strength, you'll touch the sky. Defeat negative thinking with unwavering might. Embrace a life filled with endless light.